Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. Today's video I'm going to start out with a purchase I made a couple days ago at Walmart, and it's for the Ozark Trail butane griddle. Now I have one of the butane burners, but I didn't know that they made these with like a griddle top, so I decided to get one of those and give it a try. So I'm just going to get this opened up and see what it looks like on the inside. Instructions. This is the main part I was concerned about. I was wondering how well made it is. I was expecting it to be like a real thin, cheap, maybe like aluminum or real cheap tin metal, but it's not. It's a really nice heavy grill pan, and it's a little bigger than I expected it to. It's about as big as a 13x9 baking pan, but it's got the cast feel to it, and it also has a little drain hole right there for your grease to run in, so that's going to be handy. I'm really excited to get to try this out. I'll get this case out of the way and get it set underneath my table so it won't be in the way. I'll raise this up so you can see how the middle is made. Fairly simple and straightforward. I'm sure it'll get the job done. Here is the little striper. So I can use that instead of having to use a match or something to light it. Remove this packing tape here. This is where my butane canister will go. Simple and straightforward. Ooh, there's a wasper buzzing. Ooh, go away. Don't want your kind around here. And then I'll give you a close-up of the dial on the front. Right there. Here's the sides, the back, the underneath. This has a big prong, so I'm going to see how easy this griddle is to attach. It should just sit down in there, I think. Oh, okay. I see now. This is the drain. That's where all the grease drains into. Oh, I see here. Okay, I'm getting figured out. It has a drain pan. Oh, that's nice. I really wasn't expecting this to be quite so nice. I give less than $50 for it. So far I'm impressed. And this just sets right down on top. It's nothing complicated. Yeah, I'm excited to give it a try. Okay, we're ready to fix our smash burgers. Keith went to the store yesterday and he picked up some of this thick hickory smoked bacon. He found these smash burgers. These come from Save a Lot. Save a Lot. Did I already tell him the cheese? He picked out some Munster cheese. He has some sliced up yellow onion here. Some barbecue sauce. He's got some butter. He's going to toast up some buns.
Garlic pepper for the buns.
And he has a little garlic pepper. He said he's going to put this on the buns.
Oh yeah, that's good.
And then he's got a little pack of hamburger buns.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to get this fired up and let him take over.
So right now I'm frying up some bacon. The hickory smoked thick cut.
Has a good sizzle. He dropped the good. Oh, it smells good already.
I know, I love hickory smoke.
I'm going to do the hard part and do the supervising. He's going to do the Steve has our burgers done, so now we're going to dig in and give them a try. Looks so good.
Good.
Here's your napkin. I think we're going to need it. Ooh, Losper coming by. I want him by.
Feel like getting with one hand.
Are we ready?
Oh yeah.
Are you in the shot?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's good.
Mmm.
So saying about the bun.
Really good.
Mm-hmm. I love the onions on it too.
Mmm. 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 But we're trying to hang out. So what's your opinion of the Ozark Grill, Keith?
I'm really impressed with it. I mean, we had an entire space enough on that to cook 2 whole burgers, onions, and then add the buns later.
Right.
And the cold spots of the grill being over near the edge away from the butane.
Yeah, because the main hot spot's right here in your middle.
Mm-hmm.
But that allowed you to cook your onions and stuff at a little bit less of an intense heat,
Yeah.
which worked out good.
That's what I liked about it as well, because you can just kind of push things forward the more you needed to, or push them out toward that edge.
And really, any grill, if you think of it, it's got its hot spots and its colder spots. So
Oh yeah.
about like a typical grill.
Mm-hmm. I'm really impressed with it. Like, Ozark Trail's done amazing. They've done killer. I can have that myself. Mm-hmm.
Thank you all for watching us today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, guys.
See ya.